Here in Malibu. Pretty amazing. Here with my Uncle Ed and my cousin EJ.
Another beautiful day in paradise.
Oh yeah.
Great that you're here, Josh. Awesome.
Getting ready to surf in Silver Strand. Oh yeah, here we go. My cousin here, he's a surfing pro. Is that right?
Surfing pro in the making.
And so yeah, today he's gonna teach me. Oh yeah, I got him for you, man. There he is. Do it again, go again. All right, we out here. Trying to catch one more wave before we head back in. Yes. We're on the water again. Here we go, we're about to play Ed's favorite game. Spike ball!
All right, it's time for Spike Ball. I am your host, Josh Tope, and I will be announcing today's game. On the first team, we have Josh and Trish, and then we have Ed and EJ on the other team. The object of the game is to get the ball on the net. You have 3 chances to do so. 1, 2. Oh, did not get it that time. Here we go. 1, 2. There we go.
Come on.
Oh, and what a dive from Ed. 1, 2. Ooh, nice move from Ed here. Okay.
Yes, come on.
Wow. Oh.
Let's go.
There we go.
Yes. I'm up.
Coming in hot. Oh, my goodness, what a miss. It is a tie game. Who is going to win?
Let's go.
It's getting pretty
Here we go.
intense right
Shoot.
here. Nice move. Oh, and a miss from EJ.
Let's go.
Here we go. Here comes our final point. Who's going to get it? Oh, Ed and EJ win the game. And later on in the day, here is a special highlight.
I'm in.
Yes!
I got a nut shot.
Oh yeah, we're in Nevada.
About to go whipping.
About to whip on a boat.
We on a boat.
There you go.
They got started doing it. Oh, it sounds like it.
Yeah, it's close. Yeah. Oh well. Nothing we can do right now. Woo! You did it! Finally. Are we about to load up in the boat? Are you ready? We're about to load into a boat. It's gonna be fun. Here we go. Woo!
and Laughlin. Josh's getting ready to send the backflip here.
I'm actually kind of scared now. Wow. Alright, here we go. Yeah! What are you about to do?
I'm gonna dive over it.
Okay. You're gonna jump over the whole thing?
Dive over it.
Good as it's gonna get.
That was so close. All right, we're out here at Davis Dam, just enjoying a wonderful, wonderful boat ride with everyone here. It's very nice and sunny. There's EJ.
Look at the water, how calm.
There's Trisha.
About to rip some donuts.
Let's rip some donuts.
Donuts, so we're gonna float down.
Oh yeah, we made it back to our little spot. All right, we just got done with the boat. It was a sick day. Did a little bit of tubing. I know
Slalom ski.
EJ hopped on that ski.
Ski.
And we're about to pack up a bit and get on out of here. All right, today we are doing jet skis. EJ, are you ready?
I'm ready, baby. About to send her on some jet skis.
Oh yeah, we're here nice and early. The water is pretty nice. It's about to be fun, so here we go. All right, so now we're back. We're playing some tennis right now. We have my uncle, EJ, and Trish all playing tennis right now. But yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.